Presco Engineering was created to be the partner who helps transform our clients' trickiest and ambitious ideas into breakthrough products with a predictable budget and schedule. Since 1978, Presco Engineering has been a trusted partner, committed to solving our clients' most challenging requests and turning them into successful solutions to market.
Presco Engineering is a multidisciplinary team of product development specialists offering complete and seamless solutions to the most difficult projects. We are located in New Haven, Connecticut, with 14,500 square feet of facility. We have over 40 years' experience of partnering with technology companies to successfully launch new and innovative products to market quickly, resulting in over $1 billion in exits. Through our key areas of product development, design services, turnkey production, and venture development, we have engineered solutions for our diverse range of clients who specialize in biotech, military, medical, biomedical, scientific instrumentation, and telecommunications.
Presco has a long history of solving the toughest problems under a demanding schedule. Our team of engineers take on the most difficult assignments within a wide range of expertise. Our area of expertise include medical, electronic, software, mechanical, manufacturing, industrial design, laser and optics, and thermal management. Presco Engineering also helps our clients achieve regulatory compliance, including FCC, UL, CE, FDA, and RoHS. With Presco, we are your instant engineering team.
Our clients range from startups to Fortune 500 companies, involving projects of various sizes, from technology feasibility studies to turnkey product development and manufacturing. What our diverse range of clients have in common is their desire for a partner with innovative and dependable engineering resources. Presco Engineering meets and exceeds our clients' expectations by applying our first principles approach to product development. We distill our clients' unique set of challenges down to its core principles and basic knowledge. We then build our design based on those fundamental elements. By performing the foundational theoretical work first, we engineer a solution that is innovative and guaranteed to work the first time, every time.